Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home, the Sticks. I hope everybody is having a show enough good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, yes, it is raining. It has rained a lot. I'm thinking last time I looked at the weather station, we were right at around 4 inches of rain, and it's still raining. It's supposed to rain all the way till Thursday. Imagine that. But before we get off into this video, I always like to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, sure enough, thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is I done reconfigured, reconstructed, and redid the way I save my seeds. Yeah, again. Give me a second, we're finna get off in this shop. I'm gonna show you what I done did. All right, brothers and sisters, you remember this? This is my second attempt at trying to organize all of the seeds that I have acquired and saved. And it was in these little bitty small containers that I put a label on. Now, what I've come to figure out is this system is really good for somebody that may not have just a bunch of seeds that they are trying to save. And this works out really good. What I have noticed on my end, and just from my application, these jars, these little jars, even though they work really good, they are so small, and they're actually really fragile too, to be honest with you. And it's hard to get these big old mitts in here to get these seeds, and I actually have to dump them out on a napkin to actually get my seeds out to start planting them, or get them going in the grow room anyways. Now, last week a buddy and I went to Meridian, Mississippi, and we always eat at the Chick-fil-A out there, and lo and behold, right down the road from the Chick-fil-A was the new Hobby Lobby. So old Dan was like, you know what, since we're here, let's go peep it out, see what they have. Let me show you what I found. The new way that I am going to try to organize the seeds this year. And this is just a container. This thing is designed to hold 4x6 photos. But looking at it, seed packs fit quite nicely in there. Let me see if I can pull one out that's got some seed packs. Oh, there we go. Seed packs fit really nice in there. So what I did was went to looking through my seeds and the packs that I had, and of course I have a label maker, and I just started making little labels for my maters, onions, beans, peas, peppers, squash, carrots, corn. So I'm going to try to organize all my seeds this way. So this case is what I got at Hobby Lobby, and the big case holds 16 of these little bitty small 4x6 cases. And I'm kind of thinking that this is going to work out pretty good. For one, I can actually read what they are, and I'll probably alphabetize all of this stuff, but this is just something that I'm just working on little by little, trying to get all my seeds together. And of course, I have a bunch of seeds that I actually need to put into seed packs, which moves into something else I got up on the good old Amazon and found me some just seed packets. I believe these are 3x5 seed packets, and there's 100 of them, and I think I spent $9.99 or $10 on these. So I'm gonna start transferring these into there and put them in here. I'm thinking this is gonna work out pretty good because I just don't have a whole bunch of odd seeds. Mostly all of them fit into the categories that I have here. So we're gonna roll with it that way and see what happens. So just a little bitty short video. I wanted to show this to you. Again, I bought this little case at Hobby Lobby. It was like 24 bucks. It's designed to hold and store like 4x6 photos, or just anything that will fit in the little containers. The cool part about it is there's 16 of them. It's all in one container, so I can move this thing around. I'm not really too jiffy on the color of it because it's clear, so I have to keep this in a cool dark place. Not a big deal because I was doing it anyways. But all in all, I think it's really going to work. And if I have seeds, more seeds, and I run out of room, I just get another one. Is it on the pricey side? Yeah, maybe. I saw these on Amazon. They're right at 20 bucks with 2-day shipping. But again, you have to wait to get it because it needs to be shipped. And I was at Hobby Lobby and I was like, oh, dang, that right there will work. So we're going to see how it works out. So y'all, again, it is storming outside. I was kind of like, maybe I shouldn't do this video because of how the electricity goes on and off over here during high winds and high storms, which, by the way, we are under a severe flash flood warning and a severe wind threat warning over here in East Central Mississippi. So we'll just have to see how it goes. Y'all, I hope everybody is having a showing off good Monday, and I hope y'all having a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, you need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, like trying to reorganize seeds again. With that being said, you know what's coming down, reference showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing off, get your shine on, it's important. Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.